Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Ramble session. Yes. Whew. There are my hands. Hello. Okay. I just ran all the way down the hallway, and now I'm all out of breath. Okay. So, welcome. I hope y'all are doing well. I hope you had a great weekend. Currently, I am filming this on Sunday. Why? Because I'm not sure if I'm going to be here tomorrow on Monday, which is when I normally film these. But you'll be seeing them. You'll be seeing this one on, tomorrow, which is really today for you. Gosh, I confuse myself. Anyway, my husband is down south doing some necessary stuff. So I figured I'd take this opportunity to go ahead and film my ramble session for, well, today, which is really yesterday. Anyway, excuse me. Oh my gosh, I'm out of breath. Okay, so today's session is going to just be about what is on my desk because I've got a crap ton of stuff here. Yeah, last week was super duper busy. I didn't really get all that much time in my craft room, and to be completely honest, I have, lost my mojo, if you know what I'm saying, okay? Yeah, lost my mojo and have not been really working in here on much of anything, but I will show you what I have been doing. Okay, so let's go over the last week. So last week I wasn't able to film the ramble session on Monday because it was my beautiful Sunshine's birthday, and thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of your well wishes and prayers and birthday wishes. Yes, thank you so much for that. I really, really appreciate it. And we had his oncology appointment last week and prayers have been answered. Yes. So long story short, he gets to expand the time between appointments now. So yay. So his blood work, I guess his tumor markers have plateaued. So that's, I guess, a good thing. And he doesn't have to go in for blood work, but every 3 months and scans every 6 months. Because it used to be he was going in for blood work about once a week. And then like twice a week. And then he was having scans like every couple of months. And yeah, so now he gets to expand those. So we are so, so happy about that. Oh my goodness. So you have no idea. And then we went and we took him to, because it was also his birthday. He had his appointment on his birthday. And we all went together to his favorite Indian restaurant. My son is just a foodie. He loves all kinds of food. He will try anything. And so one of his favorite foods, I do believe, is Indian food. So yeah. Oh, and the other sweet thing is my daughter took the whole day off for her brother. Is that not the sweetest thing or what? Okay? Oh my gosh, I have the greatest gems ever, and I'm not just saying that because I'm their mom. Yeah, so sweet. So she went with us to the doctor and, wanted to be there for him for that, and of course spend the day with him for his birthday, so that she didn't have to do that. It was just so sweet. Yeah, so we did that. So we had a really great time together. The rest of the week, I'll go into that in a little bit as we go through my desk. I don't know. This is the second time I'm recording this, so this session is going to be what's on my desk because, I got a lot of stuff on my desk. So I'll show you what has been going on. Roxanne, no, you need to stay here, honey. We're not going to play that game. My girl pup wants out of the room now. Roxanne, come over here and lay down. Come on. Don't interrupt the video. Come on. Okay, sorry. Well, where was I? And I don't know if I've mentioned this or not, but I've kind of just lost my mojo as far as journaling has gone. I've worked a little bit in it, but yeah, probably the last couple of days of February are going to end up being blank. I'm not really sure. I'm going to try to work on it today because my husband's not here right now. I don't know. We'll see. What else? Okay, let's just go through the desk, okay? because I don't know what else to share with you. I forgot. I've forgotten already. So these are those cute little desk calendar things that my daughter saves for me. I love them, right? So I came into my room today to, you're awesome, remember that. So yeah, I'll try to remember that I'm awesome. So she gave me those, and that's nice. And then this is, I made another just little journal cover. This is smush paper, probably made with Tombow markers and water. Yeah, Tombow markers and water on a plastic sheet. Super easy. If you don't know how to do smush paper, I'll put the link below. And then this, I did just a little cover, you know. It's all the bits and pieces that I use within my journal over there. And I take all the bits and I glue them all on and make a collage. And then what I'll do is I'll take this and scan it into my computer so that I have a copy of it and I can use it later on for journal fodder. But I will turn the original into a little journal for somebody to use. So there's that part on my desk. Okay, now these right here are upside down. So these are all covers to journals, right? And inside, I don't have the white paper, but inside it just has white paper. And so I take the white paper out because they're only put in here by Staples. And these are great just to make another cute little journal if I wanted to, right? Or cut them up to use as little tags or put them as little pockets. They're just beautiful little journals, right? And the best part, like I said too, is they're just stapled by 2 staples. So it's not like sewn in with a bunch of holes, you know? So when I take the paper out, I'll save these for another reason. So when I take the paper out, this is what I do with it. That's what I do with it. Holy cow. Yeah. So yesterday I took a bunch of papers, and these aren't even all of them. Some of these are composition book papers, right? These back here. I have yet to do orange papers or purple papers, but I have like a yellow green, and I have some greenish papers and some turquoise papers, and yeah, some green back here, some green ones. And see, that's how they come out. Aren't they pretty? And sometimes like the center, this is like a blue, no, this is like a turquoise one. Sometimes the center ones come out with just the darkness on the edges, and it's fairly just a faint, you know, like tinting of the color. But a lot of times the top papers, when I do the dyeing of my papers, and I dye them with, what's it called? Food coloring. So just food coloring and water. These are actually the book pages from those journals that I just showed you, right? So how pretty are those? Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. But then see what I mean? Sometimes the inside ones, like on the stack, because I stack them to dry them in the oven, they come out just tinted, right? So these I have to iron. Yes, I iron my papers. So I did that all day yesterday. Oh my goodness, it took all day, and I'm still not done. And then let me show you another thing real fast that I did yesterday as well. I've been helping, let's see if you can even see this. It's huge. Look at that. Ah, you can. Look how pretty that is. Aw, how nice. And it all fits right on the screen, kind of like. Okay, so this right here is a painting that I helped my daughter's class with. Each year they do a silent auction and like a family barbecue thing. And so they do it as a fundraiser, and my daughter asked me if I could help her do it this year. And I said, sure, why not? So I went in last week on Thursday and Friday, and I did not freehand any of this. I made letters from the computer, right? Cut them out, made templates, okay? Then laid it out on here, traced it all out. All the kids went and painted everything in, right? And then what I did yesterday is I just went and touched up a few places and then simply used a Posca marker to outline all of this. So it kind of looks like a stained glass, and yeah, so cute. So hopefully they'll fetch some money for them. And then her co-teacher wanted me to help her do one as well. So this one says Grace, Faith and Grace, and the kids did a really fabulous job. Yeah. So I worked on that yesterday. Okay, so that and dyeing papers, all right? And then I've also been busy. Last week I was busy taking papers out of books, right? So taking double spreads out to make and use in journals, or for when I make journals. Excuse me. Here's another like little children's book that I did. And so yeah, took them all out so that I can use these in journals later on when I make a journal. So I spent a load of time doing that last week, yeah. And then I don't know if you remember, but this brown paper, and then I told you too, like if you take a heat tool to it, because these were not sewn in signatures, these were glued in signatures. So look how great they come out when you just put a little heat to them, right? They come out pretty good, pretty good. And then you can use them in journals as well. Here's another one, you saw that one before too, right? But it comes, the whole sheet comes out, so it's nice to be able to use those in a journal for pages, okay? So let's clear all this out. This was here because there's my needle for sewing in ends, my crochet. Oh, I was able to get 2 bits of Happy Mail out last week, so that was good. That was good. I spent 2 days doing that. Excuse me. Also, when I was clearing off my desk, this is another journal cover, right? I do believe this is a Molly and Rex. Yes, it's a Molly and Rex. And I love these journals so much, and I have hoarded them for years, and I'm done hoarding them. I'm just done. So I have been using, here's one. Here's a whole one, right? So what I do, and see I've done it here if you look closely, right? These are all sewn in and glued in. So I get to the center of the signature, I pop the whatever these are called, strings, right? Take them out, and then I can use them as paper, because look at that paper. It's just, it's beautiful, right? And you know how much I love tucks, tags, and pockets, so that's what I make with them. So here's what I did, right? I glued 2 of them together for stability and just did a little sewing down the side. So there's a ready-made tag that I can use. Here's some other ones, right? So I just took them and did some sewing down the sides and just made some cute little, you know, tags, just ready-made tags that I can use. So I did that last week as well. And then I also here, I was just playing and I was watching, oh no, that is very, oh gosh, sorry about that. That was very crooked. Last week, this is a Joey pocket, and from Joey Defee, or Joie Defee. And let me see here. Oh, I could just use this. It's a pocket, you know, that has 2 little slits, and then it could actually have 3. If you glued it on these 3 sides into your book, you could have a pocket up here for a tag, or you could glue it on these 3 sides and have a side tuck, right? So all I have to do now is just decorate it or whatever. So yeah, I just wanted to try my hand at that, and I'm probably going to end up putting it in my Joie journal. So if you missed this, Sweet Joie de Fille had sent me a lovely journal to use, right? So I can pop this in here on a page, yeah, and just use it as my Joey book, right? For all the little projects that Joie does. So that'll be fun. I'll leave that in there. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, my journal. Okay. So, yeah. Oh, I made this little pocket too, because I was messing around with little, you know, with the book pages, right? So I thought, oh, why not make a pocket, right? So this, again, like, I don't like cats. Sorry for those cat lovers, but I don't like them. Anyway, so I can either give this away in Happy Mail or I'll use it in my book probably. But yeah, you could do the same thing. Like I took it and I sewed it all together, right? And here's a pocket here, and then here's a pocket here. So I can glue it on these 3 sides, glue it into my book, and then I have 2 pockets to use. So I can do that. So that's cute. And then in my journal, I haven't done anything really. Like I said, or maybe I didn't, I have lost my mojo, can I just tell you? But I did work on this last week, and I have to say I'm pretty proud of it. It is a Buddha, and it's a half of a Buddha, I guess. And the reason I did it was because we went to an Indian restaurant for my son's birthday. So I've never done anything like this before. I've never attempted anything like this before, but it was super duper fun. And I used those glittery crayons, and now I'm looking around my desk and I cannot see them. I don't know where they are. Maybe they're under here somewhere, probably. I don't know where they are, but they're you know, the glittery crayon things. They're not in there either. I don't know. I wish I had them to show you. Forgive me, please. So that's what this is. And then a lot of people ask me what I use to color the face in and everything. And I use these. I hope they're not, no, they're not. Good. These are the Neo Color 2s. And they're water-soluble crayons. They're super fun. They're Caran d'Ache. And you can get them on Amazon. So I had a lot of fun doing this. Like I said, I've never done anything like this before. Just thought, let me see if I can do it. And yeah, I really like the way it came out. So I did do that. Again, though, I haven't done much else in terms of working in my book. I was going through children's books, like I said, tearing pages out for later, and came across this Eeyore. And yeah, on this particular day, I was feeling like Eeyore. So, and I just really haven't had the energy or the inclination to work in my journal, but I'm hoping to today. So yes, I think that's all that I have been working on. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think I showed you everything. So anyway, yeah, and I'm doing this ramble session on a Sunday. If I did not mention it, I don't know what I talked about or what I didn't talk about, because this is the second time I am recording this. So, and I only am recording it on Sunday because I'm not sure what I'm doing tomorrow. So, yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to be here. So wanted to come on and share what's been going on. So yeah, I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day and a wonderful week. And I'm hoping to get up some more flip throughs for you of my December 2019 journal, so I can finally start flipping through my January, February book. Okay, so look forward to those. And yeah, I will talk to y'all real soon. And again, thank you so much for sharing your time with me. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. So yeah, have a great day and a great rest of your week, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.